Good morning, sardines! Hey, and welcome back.
Here at Noises Off, we like to have fun. Let's go see the April Fool's joke we played on the cast.
My purpose here, and I have to tell you something.
Uh-oh. Is it bad?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
All right. We are trying to figure out what we can do. We now have a scheduling conflict, and we may have to refund the tickets. At the moment, the show is canceled, and we are trying to figure out if we can move it a weekend, one way or another, but I know there's some scheduling issues. And I know some of you are, this is not a COVID repeat, it is a different scenario. And I feel really bad, but it is an April Fool's joke.
Oh, God. I was going to say, Mr. Frost.
You're crying for me.
I almost cried!
Yeah, there's people filming it.
We hope you enjoyed this week's video.
The show's in just 3 weeks. Be sure to get your tickets. The link is in the description. Bye!